There's the view from up above. We have got a little bit of patchy fog out there in spots this morning. I think for more of us, it'll be about when does the shower activity start to kick up. Got a few sprinkles against the Franklin County barrier islands. Typical spot to see some morning activity over the past 12 hours. There really hasn't been a lot lingering. We saw some of those showers yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening. It did help to cool things down. And hopefully we'll have more of the same today. Otherwise, we get hot and stay hot for a long period of time. 72 in Valdosta right now, 73 in Thomasville, 75 in Tallahassee. The temperature's not moving much, and it is icky sticky outside. Picked up about a quarter inch of rain out there. Most areas between maybe an eighth and a third of an inch. So not a lot of rain, but enough to knock those temperatures down. They did get up over 90 in most spots. We hit 92 for a high yesterday, and we're likely going to get someplace real close again this afternoon. It's 77 at Albany and 78 degrees at Apalachicola, the warmer spots. Monticello joining Valdosta as the cooler at 72, so in that 5 or 6 degree temperature range. Most of our visibilities are doing okay this morning, better than 7 miles, but we will find some of that patchy fog. And we are just bottled up in this warm, humid air mass, that boundary to our north, trying to sag a little bit more south, and as it gets just a little bit closer, maybe you can help bring a few extra showers out of the mix, especially maybe in South Georgia this afternoon. But then that warmer air surges back to the north, and as that happens, not much else changes. We get more of the same for the next several days. That means we keep the rain chances up, we keep the humidity up, and we keep those warm temperatures right where they are. Here's the futurecast. I do think there'll be scattered showers today, tomorrow, Friday. But remember, these are not the kinds that everybody gets wet, and they're not the ones you can track and watch as they move across the Gulf Coast and eventually get here in 6 to 8 hours. It doesn't work that way. These are the showers that pop up when they feel like it, and once we see them, we can figure out where they're moving and then start giving some kind of estimated times of arrivals. But that's pretty much the way these play. Now, as far as the tropics go, Franklin is there moving across the Bay of Campeche. Going to be a Mexico issue, not a United States issue. And out here, this one could be a little bit more interesting. 5, 6 days down the road, we'll watch and we'll see if it indeed does develop. At the time being, it's just an area of disturbed weather. Winds on the waters today, the Gulf waters, south and southeast, 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. Not a bad day for the boaters. We're going to wrap up the high tides in about 20 minutes and then switch back over to the low tides much later this morning. Patchy fog, muggy, 70s this morning, climbing into the low 90s, even if just briefly. And then the scattered showers should cool it down a little bit. Mid 70s for us tonight. The showers fizzle. It stays muggy. And as far as that forecast goes, we have been stuck on the 74 and 92 bandwagon. Guys, the hot, the humid, the summer showers, and the unsettled keep us on that 74 and 92 bandwagon.